Okay, so editor highlight active indent guide controls whether the editor should highlight the active indent guide. So let me show you what this looks like. And I have a file here with several indentation levels. And what this means is that when you're on a particular indentation level, you get this highlighted line, right? That pertains to the indentation level you're on. If you go to another indentation level, it highlights this one. If you go here, it highlights this one. So it's like a little visual aid that helps you contextualize where you are, right? And this works in HTML, JavaScript. It really works in well, whatever you indent your code, right? So I think this is pretty useful. It gives you a little hint of context, which is nice. So I would leave this one as true. It's useful.